Cody with Wild West Lift Trucks. Customer had smoking issue and was burning a lot of oil due to the rings being bad, and so we came out here, took it all apart at his location. We got him a loaner out here to take care of him, so there was no downtime. As you can see, we honed and got the nice new cross hatches in there for the pistons and the rings to seat in there properly. Got the bottom end of it all dialed in. You can see the new silicone is setting up on the valve, or the pan, oil pan. We got the head over here. We're taking care of that, cleaning that up. We'll have this thing back together here in the next couple hours. But if you or anybody you know needs work like this, or anywhere from simple maintenance to in-depth motor repair, give us a call.